Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the binary puzzle. The binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper. Oh, apologies. Of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, March the 13th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars and the Sudoku with 4 stars. 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, you are interested in the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number. This will be number 6094. Yeah, 6094. Position the camera first. Apologies. 94. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Oh, double 1, here no, there no. Well, I need to think. Well, I cannot place number 4 there. We have here 3 1's. If I place a 4th 1 there, then we have here 3 O's in a row in this row. Last row. Not allowed, one of the rules. This can be 1, this should be no. Alright. We have here 3 1's in the second row. If I place number 4 here or there, doesn't matter where, then we have here 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be a 1 or there. This should be no, and that box should be a no. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 1's in the last row. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Alright. Yeah. And now we need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are 1's, of course. Yeah. Overlooked. Here, 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3. Okay. O and a 1. Yeah. 2. 3. Ay. I need to think. heart. 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be no double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Here 1, there 1. 3 O's we have here in the first row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, Then we need to think again. Then we need to think again. 3 O's. Time for comparing, I believe. Time for comparing. Well, if you look to the ones here, apologies. Bump the camera. Okay. If you look to the ones here, we have here 3 ones, and you compare with the first column to the ones. Here we have a 1, there we have a 1, and here we have a 1. The 4th one in this column is there. If I place number 4 also here in this column, then we will have identical columns. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. Yeah. And if you look to the ones with this in this row and the ones in the 3rd row, here we have the first one, here the 2nd one, and here the 3rd one. The 4th one in this row is there. If I place the 1 there, then we will have identical rows. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1. There should be an O. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Not easy, this one. Not easy. 1, 2, 3. Same like this row. Look to the ones. Here we have 3 ones. Look to the ones with this row. Here, the first one. Oh, no. I've just done this. Let me see. 101. No. Do we have a double 1 here? Yeah. We can compare this column and the last column. 1, 1. So we again 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. This column I cannot compare. O 1. Do we have O1 here? 1. Nope. Cannot compare the columns. Well, yeah. How about the rows? 1001. Do we have 1001 here? Here we have a 1001. Yeah, this row and the last row. 11000011 empty box. Empty box 1100. Alright, need to switch those two digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finishing in 10 minutes. Well. Not an easy. Let me give this 3 stars. Yeah, 3 stars. Binary, maybe 4 stars. Not easy, this one, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.